speakers. And through these speakers, we have a program that they are going to be taken through the stay in the residential area. We have classes that are going to be taught. They are going to be taught about not only HIV, but also the STIs, what we call the sexually transmitted diseases. So we have speakers, we have a program that will take through the rest of the days that will be with us. So we have that program that will be running through their stay here. We as an hospital, we are fully compliant to the ministering guidelines when we are doing the exercise of circumcision in the hospital. We have a full support system, both the primary school and the hospital TENRI group of hospitals. So vile tunafanya siku ya leo, tunafanya circumcision. Today is the first day. For the next 2 weeks watakuwa hapa under supervision of our nurses, permanent nurses in the residential area, plus the nutrition support. Yeah. During the process of circumcision, each boy has a well-sterilized pack. A pack that is sterilized in our autoclaving system, and each boy is circumcised with his own pack. So we do not have recycling. We don't have the recycling of the packs. So that is how we have actually maintained the sterility part of it, and also the infection control and the disease control transmission systems.
Jacob, nie deputy monini wa mwalimu wa TENRI Primary School. Neni coordinator wa Irua ya imwana. Twina imwana na nikiki ni kirathi kia 15 facility ino ya TENRI. Tukora twina ngwataniro ya bakuvi muno na THIBITARI ino nene ya TENRI groups of hospital. Korea THIBITARI ya group of hospital TENRI matu nukagera imwana magaturuitheria na magatu sereria ndagitari wa gukora wa magisunga imwana ino kiroko thaa mugwanja na kivwai. Koguo ni kumina kimwana kirauka guku TENRI gikiuma guku twe tukwa tukiensure twe as a TENRI family, TENRI primary na TENRI hospital tukora tukirekeria kimwana giki kiboru na kimwana giki kigimaru na giki kigima. Twe ni torore ni twe aroreriu ma domereri na guidelines cia thirikari kwa Irua. Ni tukwa tukiroria pia kiria guidelines cia COVID-19 ni tukwa tugiforo kuria tukwa tukiaccommodate mwana kuria hostels cietu ni nene cia kwa accommodate mwana namba wa yonthe. Ni tukorangia tukiva imwana ino irio balanced diet. Tukora twina nutritionist kuma THIBITARI ino nene ya TENRI groups of hospital. Koguo ni kuroria imwana health yao makora me na ugima wa mwiri makiuga ni kuma guku TENRI family.